What if they went back? Not in chains, not in sorrow, but in strength. What if they returned with heads held high, with dreams in their hearts, and with a vision for a brighter future? What if the descendants of the enslaved chose to return, not because they were cast out, but because they had awakened? Imagine a reverse migration, a journey back to the roots, to the land of their ancestors, millions of minds, billions in wealth, doctors, dreamers, dancers, designers, innovators and leaders, all contributing to a renaissance, rebuilding what colonization tried to erase, restoring the glory and the heritage that was once stolen. A return, not just to land, but to legacy. If Black America left, if they chose to reconnect with their origins, the U.S. economy would shake. The financial impact would be profound. Music would lose its soul. The rhythm and blues, the jazz, the hip-hop, all would feel the void. Athletics would lose its greatness. The prowess and the spirit that defines sports would be missed. Culture would lose its compass. The vibrant tapestry of American culture would be left incomplete. America would finally feel the weight of everything it took for granted, And Africa would rise differently. It would rise with renewed vigor and purpose, not just with natural resources, but with the return of its people, but with the return of the greatest resource, her stolen children. It wouldn't be perfect. History can't be reversed. But healing is possible. That's not in the past. That's in the present and the future. That's in the choice to return, to build, to create, to nurture, to root again, in soil that remembers us, soil that holds the memories of our ancestors. What if African Americans went home, not to escape, but to complete the circle, to find a sense of belonging and purpose? What if exile became exodus, and exodus became empire? This is unshakable roots, and we don't flinch from the truth. We don't just ask what if, we remember what was. We honor the past and plant seeds for the future. We imagine what could still be. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.